A man was driving a truck full of food and medical supplies during World War II. Suddenly, his truck broke down. "Oh no! If I don't deliver this food and supplies, many people will die," he cried, knowing that it might be over for him and the people of the city. He was in the middle of nowhere and it was freezing cold. Even though he never believed in God, in that moment, he began to pray, asking God to save him. Suddenly, a mysterious man appeared. "My car broke down. Please help me. I need to get to the city." The mysterious man replied, "That's exactly where I am going. Come inside." They arrived at the city. The mysterious man hugged him. "Goodbye," he said, and disappeared. The man was shocked and understood what had happened right away. He fell to his knees in tears, thanking God for saving him and the city's people.